Hi, I'm Ed, and in today's video, here's how you can compare desk usage across different locations. Here, I'm comparing the 14th floor with the 8th floor over the last 3 months. I can quickly compare average and peak utilization, as well as the number of desks being monitored. This chart below shows average utilization in more detail. I can see that 8th floor had more periods where utilization fell below 25% when compared with 14th. I'm also able to compare utilization during days of the week and understand the asset distribution. For example, this tells me that floor 14 had 2 desks which were used on average 60 to 70% of the time, whilst floor 8 had none. Comparing desk utilization by floor at different locations will help you understand how desk space is used across your real estate in more detail. You can use these insights in order to accommodate new headcount or reduce office space when you've seen that it's highly underutilized. Thanks for listening, and for more information on our desk utilization solutions, please check out our other videos below.